Hello, welcome back to Spotify channel. Now we'll give you a tutorial how to enable Google Safe Search on Android 2022. And before that, I wanna ask you, how are you guys? Should I miss off our videos? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And let's start it. First, we go to Google application. Here you can click on. After that, you can click the three dots in the upper of the corner. And next, click Settings. You can scroll away until you find Privacy and Security. Click on, and you can click Use Secure DNS. Click. You can see how to enable Google Safe Search on Android. You can click choose another provider here. Click the custom, and you can choose clean browsing family filter. And it's enough. Okay, this is a tutorial how to enable Google Safe Search on Android. I hope this video is useful for you, and thank you.